9/11, the United States launched an operation in Afghanistan to target al-Qaeda and remove the Taliban from power. As part of these operations, they established several detention facilities across the country, the largest of which was the Bagram internment facility. Bagram became the primary detention site for suspected militants of both Afghan and non-Afghan origins. There were widespread allegations of abuse and torture, including beatings during interrogations. By 2008, there were 630 detainees at Bagram, nearly double those at Guantanamo Bay, including approximately 40 Pakistani citizens who, unlike their Afghan counterparts, were ineligible for outright charge or release. Instead, they could be transferred to Pakistan, where they could be released, rehabilitated, prosecuted, or kept continually at Bagram. In 2010, Justice Project Pakistan filed a writ petition in the Lahore High Court arguing that it was the government of Pakistan's responsibility to protect the rights of its citizens under domestic and international law. The court repeatedly sided with Justice Project Pakistan, ruling that it was the government's responsibility to assist and repatriate its citizens. By this point, some prisoners had been in detention since 2003, all were tortured, and none were held captive with access to legal representation. After several years of proceedings, in 2014, the repatriation of all known Pakistani citizens was finally secured. Justice Project never received any documentation confirming the exact number of Pakistani detainees at Bagram or whether they were all successfully repatriated. When these prisoners were finally released, some having been there for over a decade, the American officials who held them captive and tortured them told them, "We're sorry, but we couldn't establish any links between you and the bad guys." Reviled as the other Guantanamo Bay, Bagram leaves an indelible stain on the legacy of the US in Afghanistan, particularly regards to the treatment it meted out to its many prisoners.